Very simple AI application here and show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the scheme of the application. A lot of features which you can use. These are just some templates which you can use as well by just uploading one photo of yourself. You can get these results. Some of these you may require subscription to use these, but if you can see the top, you may see a crown icon. Those are going to need subscription to use. Let's say, for example, this one here, you're not going to need any subscription. All you have to do is just tap on the template or the filter that you want to use, tap on try style. Will pretty much show you how to upload the image and for you to get the best results. So it's that simple. So just scroll and look for the template that you want. For example, if it's a product, then you're gonna have to upload a image of your product. As you can see here, it does give you example as how the image is supposed to look for you to get the best results. And you can see how much coins you're gonna need to create this here. So same thing for all of these products, same procedure. If it's for a photo or a filter, you need to upload a photo of yourself. Clear image of your face. If it's gonna need your full body, then you're gonna clear image of the full body. But as it relates to just products here, all you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use and pretty much add the image photo, and it does give you an example as I said before. So you can tap on the new option, the trending ones, and you can also try these AI filters, templates that they have created as well. But do tap on this here, you can see it does give you a glimpse of what you can get with uploading your photo. You can also tap on edit to edit it as well. So a lot of things you can do with this application. So yeah, you can scroll across and see what you want. If you want something for a product, say one of your products or a business, let's say, as you can see here, or these photos, you can see here a photo shoot, you can see your beauty types of stuff, you can see here a lot of stuff, guys. And also a little AI made video using their Glam software with AI, with Sora AI. And as you can see here, some of these may require subscription, so do keep in mind. And these videos do cost more than just 50 coins to create. So do keep that in mind as well. You have the AI model as well over here. If I scroll across again, you have the Halloween options, which you can do as well. So a lot of features, guys, a lot of things you can be done. So just scroll across and look for what you want. So at the top here, you're gonna need coins. As I said before, most of these do require a good amount of coin. The minimum is 10 coins, and I currently have 2 coins. So tap on this option here to get coins. You're gonna need a subscription, and a subscription does give you coins. So you have a yearly subscription, you will get coins here. You have a weekly subscription, which you do get 500 coins to use. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Over here, nothing much than just the profile option. And if you tap on the add option here, you can see the from templates. You can try templates from our videos, and also you can create your own style. If you tap on this option here, you can upload a photo of something as reference, or you can generate your photo. So you pretty much have to select your style that you want to use. You can either use Sora AI or one of these options here. So once you have done that, you enter your prompt, you're pretty much good to go, and then tap on generate. So that's really pretty much it. You also have a feed option, pretty much the same thing, but this is their software mixed with AI, and they're just generating videos, as you can see there. You can also edit these videos as well to your liking, change the prompt, and so forth. Also, you're going to see the popular ones here as well. So nothing much for the application. Very simple and straightforward. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad that you see you in the next one. Stay tuned.